When you enter a hospital, what's the biggest lie we grew up believing?
We have been taught that hospitals only run billing, insurance, but a hospital is much more than medical treatment.
What happens if there is no hospital administrator?
Honestly, complete chaos. Critical patients might not get a bed when they need it most.
Why we are hearing so much about it only now? These days, everyone is talking about AI replacing the jobs, right?
In schools and colleges, we mostly talk about clinical careers.
Hello everyone, welcome to the very first episode of Adi Talks, a podcast by Adi Group of Institutions. Today we are discussing a career that nobody talks about, hospital administrator, but the one that every hospital depends on. Our today's guest is Anju ma'am, who has 8 years of industry relevant experience in hospital field and now mentoring the future healthcare professionals as a faculty at Adi Group of Institutions. Ma'am, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much. I'm really happy to be here. I'm excited because today's conversation might help many students and parents discover a career they have never seriously considered.
When you enter a hospital, you trust the doctor. But let me ask you something. Who are the doctor? Who manages the ICU? Who makes sure oxygen never runs out? Who decides why one patient gets admitted first? And who handles a hospital with 500 employees? And it isn't the doctor, right? And today we are talking about the career that almost nobody knows that exists. Okay, what's the biggest lie we grew up believing?
We have been taught that hospitals only run because of doctors. Actually, doctors saves lives. Hospitals are run by systems. Whenever we think about hospitals, we only see the people who wear white coats.
They are the people we interact with, so naturally we'll assume, right? So
But a hospital is much more than medical treatment. It's an entire ecosystem. Behind every smooth patient experience, there are professionals managing admissions, billing, insurance, staff coordination, quality assurance, operations, emergency preparedness, and much more. Hospital administrators may not always be visible, but they are the backbone that keeps the entire system functioning.
what happens if there is no hospital administrator? Imagine a hospital that has no administrator, and now who will schedule the surgeries? And who manages ICU beds? Who pays salaries? And who orders medicines? And who handles this NABH? And who manages insurance?
Honestly, complete chaos. Nobody. Surgeries get delayed and patients keep waiting. No proper coordination. Critical patients might not get a bed when they need it most. Without administration, payroll gets disrupted and even the hospital staff start getting affected. If no one tracks inventory, hospitals can literally run out of essential medicines or oxygen at the worst possible time. Now comes to the NABH part. Without someone monitoring them, hospitals risk losing quality standards and even their accreditation. For insurance and cashless claims, patients face delays, claims get rejected, and billing becomes a nightmare.
Let's do one quick exercise. I'll name few professions. You just tell me whether the people know about that or not.
Okay.
Doctor
Everyone knows?
and nurse,
Everybody knows.
pharmacist,
Most people knows.
and lab technician,
Yes.
and the hospital administrator.
That's where everything changes. Very few students actually knows what a hospital administrator does.
Okay. That's surprising, right? Because every hospital has one, but almost nobody grows up hearing about this career.
Exactly. We are introduced to the people who treat patients, but not the people who make sure the hospital functions every single day.
Okay. So here is my question. If hospital administrators are so important, then why don't students know about this career?
Because in schools and colleges, we mostly talk about clinical careers. Nobody really explains the management side of healthcare.
Which means many students think if I don't become a doctor, I can't work in a hospital.
And that's one of the biggest misconceptions. Healthcare offers many career paths, and hospital administration is one of the key roles that keeps the entire system running.
So you are telling me a student can be a part of saving lives without wearing a stethoscope, right?
Absolutely. You may not perform surgery, but you make sure the surgeon has the operation theater ready. You may not treat the patient, but you make sure the patient gets timely care, the right bed, proper billing, insurance support, and a smooth hospital experience.
And maybe that's why we are having this conversation today, because this isn't a new career. It's a career that most people were never introduced to. Here is something I'm really curious about. If hospital administration has existed for so many years, and why we are hearing so much about it only now?
That's a great question. Hospital administration is not a new career. Hospitals have always needed administrators. The difference is that today's hospitals have become much larger, more advanced, and much more complex to manage.
So what exactly changed? Why is the demand growing now compared to past 10 to 15 years?
There are several reasons. More multi speciality hospitals are opening across India. Healthcare technology is growing rapidly. Health insurance has become more common. Patient expectations have increased. And hospitals now have to follow strict quality standards like NABH accreditation. All of these requires skilled administrators to manage operations efficiently.
These days, everyone is talking about AI replacing the jobs, right? So, should students be worried? Can AI replace hospital administrators too?
AI can definitely help hospitals by automating routine tasks, analyzing data, and improving efficiency. But AI can't replace leadership, decision making, crisis management, communication, or managing people. Hospitals will always need professionals who can make decisions, coordinate teams, and ensure patient care runs smoothly.
Okay, finally, if a student watching this is thinking that I genuinely never knew this career existed, like what would you suggest they do next?
I would say don't make a career decision today. Instead, spend the next few days understanding the healthcare industry. Talk to professionals if you get the opportunity. Ask questions and explore what hospital administration actually involves. Choose a career because you understand it, not because someone recommended it.
Okay, guys, now subscribe to our channel to know more about hospital administration. In our next episode, we are going to tell you about the job roles you'll get in hospital administration and the salary package and also many more. For that, all you need to do is stay updated and keep watching us.
Audi Group of Institutions, the most trusted quality training provider.